Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to the Sound area. This is where System Ringtones and App Alerts live. Once in Sounds or Sound and Vibration, make sure your phone profile is not on Silent or Do Not Disturb, because changes won't audibly preview. Next, tap Notifications to target the sound you want to change. This directs you to per app controls so you don't alter global ringtones by mistake. Now move to the specific app or system alert you want to modify. You now pick the exact source, an app or a system alert like messaging. Once selected, tap the notification tone or sound field. That opens the list of available tones. Listen to several previews so you can compare loudness and character. Short blips versus longer chimes matter in noisy places. If your phone allows, choose a custom file from Files or a sound picker, otherwise pick a built-in tone. Make sure to confirm or save the choice so it becomes active immediately. Apply the new tone and test it right away by sending a message or using the test button within the settings. This verifies both sound and volume. If you hear nothing, check 3 common culprits: overall media/notification volume, do not disturb schedules, and per app notification permissions, which can mute sounds. Once done, adjust volume or schedule and retest. If problems persist, restart the phone and reapply the tone. Reboots often clear stuck audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.